We need Greenland, very importantly, for international security. We have to have Greenland.
Let me say it clear, we don't want to be Americans. We don't either want to be Danes. In the future we want to be independent, but right now we are a part of the Kingdom of Denmark, and that's how it's going to be.
Jamen, Grønland er grønlændernes, og Grønland er en del af det danske kongerige, og det kommer ikke til at ændre sig.